Welcome back to our duct cleaning series. In this video, we'll show how targeted cleaning, focusing on the spots that matter most, can deliver real, tangible gains in your home's indoor air quality. It's not about a blanket clean, it's about cleaning where it makes the biggest difference for you. If you see visible mold, mildew, or other contaminants in or around the ductwork, a targeted cleaning hones in on those hot spots. Cleaning these problematic areas can cut the source of irritants that circulate through your home. Renovations, past water damage, or accumulated debris in hard-to-reach spots can trap pollutants. Addressing these specific areas often yields the most noticeable IAQ influence. A qualified technician assesses the system to map out exactly where buildup is concentrated. The plan targets those areas first, so you don't have to undergo an unnecessary full system cleaning. During targeted cleaning, the focus is on the ducts, registers, and any affected components that trap debris. The result is smoother airflow and a reduction in irritants recirculated through your rooms. The payoff is clearer air, fewer dusty surfaces, and a more comfortable living environment, especially for sensitive household members, without overhauling the entire system. Choose a contractor who follows industry standards and can show proper licensing and insurance. A focused, standards-based approach protects you and ensures better results. If IAQ issues point to specific problem areas, targeted cleaning may be the right move. Schedule a consult to map out a focused plan for cleaner air in your home.